We are pleased to show you 2017 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, lane departure warning, backup camera. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.